how to use Genmoji on iPhone. If you're facing the issue where your iPhone says it needs to download support for Genmoji and you're wondering how to fix it, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you the right way. First things first, let's make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Genmoji requires iOS 14 or newer to work properly. Open settings on your phone, tap on general, then go to software update. If an update is available, download and install it. Now let's enable Genmoji support. Go to general on keyboard and tap on keyboards. Here select or look for Genmoji in the list of third-party apps. If you don't see it, what you can do is simply open the app store on your iPhone and simply search for Genmoji in the search bar. Download the Genmoji app if you haven't. And once the download is complete, what you need to do is go back to keyboard settings and add Genmoji in the keyboard list. And that's it. That's how you can simply download and use Genmoji support on your iPhone.